Hello everyone, today our video is about unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro. I bought a new iPhone, so I thought I'd share the video with my YouTube friends. If you're considering upgrading to the iPhone 15 Pro or just curious about the latest in smartphone technology, this unboxing is for you. I can't wait to share my first impressions and insights into what makes the iPhone 15 Pro stand out in the world of smartphones. This is an incredibly exciting day as we're diving into the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. I recently got my hands on this cutting edge of box, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. Let's jump right in. The iPhone 15 Pro's biggest selling point is that it consists of a titanium frame, making it lighter and more durable than its predecessor's stainless steel chassis. In this unboxing, we'll take a closer look at the accessories included, from the charging cable to any bonus items Apple has packed in. What's beyond debate, however, is that the 2023 Pro iPhones are lighter. The 15 Pro, in particular, is 19 grams lighter than the 14 Pro, and it's a change that you can easily feel. New iPhone 15 Pro is shorter and narrower by 0.9mm, and not much has changed, in principle, when it comes to what's wear on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also reflective is the glass plaque that's the base of the camera assembly. It contains 3 metal rings, one for each camera, plus the LED flash, LiDAR scanner, ambient light sensor, and a MIC. iPhone 15 Pro price start from $999.